Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I am a pediatric physical therapist. I'm here with Alexis Sanderson, and Alexis has spastic quadriplegic cerebral palsy. And we've been working on activities to help improve the range of motion in her shoulders. Her shoulders, particularly her more involved right side, has gotten so it's very hard for her to reach it outside of her body. She wants to keep it tucked close to the side. So one of the games I like to play is the rolling pin game. I put the cup right here. This is a marble rolling pin, so it is heavy because otherwise she'd be likely to pick it up and knock me upside the head with it. So I want you to, uh-oh. You gonna get it? I like it because, who knocked over my cup? Because she's using her left hand, helping her bring her right hand out further. So let's bring it back. You ready? Don't you do it. Don't you do it. Gonna get it? You gonna get it? Gotta look at it. Go get it. Go, Alexis. Didn't quite get it. You gonna get it? And I'm just helping her keep, I think she can do it herself. It's just hard for her to keep that grasp on there. You gonna get it? Are you going to get it? Right here. Go. That was such a cheat. This hand has to hold on. You have to do it with the rolling pin. I saw that right hand sneak out there and get it. All right, ready? I'll help. Let's go. Almost. You didn't quite get it. Go. Go. And what you're seeing is just that difficulty of getting that range. You're gonna have to get it. The arm really reaching out like that. Gonna get it? Who knocked down my cup? You can knock over all sorts of things. The cup is probably the most boring thing to knock over, but I knew that Alexis was going to do this just fine. You can put little people out here, little dolls out here, all sorts of little stuff to knock over. And my experience is as long as I make it fun, kids are willing to do it. I hope this is helpful for you, and you want to say goodbye to everybody? See you next time. Bye-bye! If you liked this video and would like to be notified by email when the next video comes out, click the subscribe button here and click the golden bell icon and ensure notifications are enabled on your account.